Giraffe pays you for playing mobile games, while Swagbucks pays you for a mix of surveys, shopping offers, videos, and sign-up tasks, which makes their earning styles completely different from the start. By the end, you'll understand how each app actually pays, what limits your earnings in both systems, and which one is better depending on how you like to earn. Giraffe works by giving you points for installing and playing mobile games. You complete in-game goals, earn points based on progress, and convert those points into rewards. Your earnings depend on how many game offers are available and how quickly you complete them. Swagbucks uses a broader reward system. You earn points called SB by completing surveys, trying offers, watching content, and sometimes shopping through partner links. Those SB points can be redeemed for cash or gift cards depending on your region. Giraffe is more focused and simple. You open the app, pick a game, and grind tasks inside that game. There's no decision-making about different earning methods, which makes it easier to stick with, but also more limited in variety. Swagbucks is more flexible, but it also takes more effort to find the right tasks. Some users focus only on surveys, while others mix multiple methods to build up points faster. Giraffe is usually better for passive-style users who want to play games without dealing with surveys or offers. The trade-off is that earnings are tied strictly to gameplay progression and available offers. Swagbucks can feel more dynamic because you can switch between tasks depending on what pays best at the moment. That flexibility is its biggest advantage, especially if one type of task slows down. Another key difference is consistency. Giraffe gives steady progress as long as you keep playing games, while Swagbucks earnings can vary depending on survey availability and qualification rates. Time investment also matters. Giraffe often requires longer gameplay sessions to reach reward milestones. Swagbucks can sometimes produce quicker points through short tasks, but not all users qualify for every survey or offer. Giraffe is simpler to use daily, while Swagbucks is more of a multi-option system that rewards users who actively pick the highest-paying tasks available. Quick summary: Giraffe pays through game grinding with simple, steady progression. Swagbucks pays through mixed tasks with more flexibility and potentially faster earning opportunities. If you want a low-effort gaming-only app, Giraffe is easier. If you want more ways to earn and don't mind switching tasks, Swagbucks is more powerful overall. If this helped, like and subscribe for more comparison guides like this.